Join us on a walking tour around the iconic Mount Maunganui, offering some of the best views of Tauranga Harbour. See the best surf beach in town, marvel at spectacular rocky shorelines and the massive ocean liners. Soak in the hot pools, enjoy the best ice cream in town, watch the soaring paragliders and lazy seals that are lounging on the shores, and enjoy our favourite walk in the Bay of Plenty. Come walk with us on this unforgettable coastal adventure in New Zealand. We start our walk at Main Beach, the ocean side of Mount Maunganui, and step out onto the boardwalk by the surf club. Heading around the mount, as it is affectionately known, in an anti-clockwise direction. Nobody doing an interpretive dance today? Oh yes, there is somebody still doing an interpretive dance today. Would you like to join in? Are you going to do an interpretive dance for us today? Whatever the spirits lead you to dance, you do it and dance to the rhythm of your own drum. Okay. The Mount is a focal point for tourists and locals to get out and enjoy nature. Beach walking, surfing and enjoying the sunshine. So what's it like being back in your hometown?
This is our hometown. When I was younger, there wasn't a single high-rise building up here. Now it's slowly getting a bit more like surfers' paradise, but it's still a beautiful place. And that's Mount Maunganui up there.
Oh, the paragliders go up the top.
Paragliders.
Yeah. Seen a few interesting moments up there.
Would you jump off there?
No.
Why not?
There's a point of no return that you can't go back, but then your parachute might not fill and you've just got to hope it works.
I need some shrimp paste and some rice. So just throw it in the water to see if any worms come up. Is that all worms down those holes?
Better go digging. At the start of the base track, you have a choice. Left, right, or up. The 1,275 metre track to the top is steep and a bit of a scramble if you take the secret goat track, but the views are worth it. But today we're showing you the beautiful coastal base track.
This is steep way. This way here, we're in wheelchairs.
We're going the wheelchair route. So what's that place down there?
Where? Down here?
Down there? What's that place?
It's Shelly Bay.
It's Shelly Beach.
What's special about Shelly Bay?
That was the beginning of the next bit of the rest of our lives.
And what happened down there?
Well, you said I do, and I did as well. And hey, it's
So
stuck.
now we're married. The only way to get there is climb the rocks that way, or there's a little path down that way. And everyone walks around the mount, and this is the first start of about 3k walk. So they're just starting, and no one wants to actually walk back and go down there because it's actually going backwards. So it's actually a really private little beach.
At this point, on a stormy day, the ocean swells pound the coastline and walkers and joggers both get a bit wet. But on a bluebird day like today, there are plenty of sunny spots to enjoy the view. As usual, Graham loves to take the path less travelled. And he was rewarded with this view. I am Googling the history of the Ranui, a ship on her maiden voyage that was capsized by a freak wave in the 1950s, with the loss of 22 lives. The ocean and this harbour entrance are not to be taken lightly. Someone's out there fishing? No, there must be diving, there's no one in there.
What do you want me to do?
I want to watch the action. I can't be on it. So. We love sailing. Even taking a Hobie cat from Pilot Bay to a Mauao just to buy an ice cream. Typical Kiwis. Don't sit under the poo tree. Yeah, go and look for that song on YouTube. It explains the hazards of walking under the shag nests.
This is the western corner of the mount. This is the entrance into the mighty Tauranga Harbour. There's Automaro, all the houses in the background there. There's a pilot boat waiting probably for a ship to come out. More than likely a ship's going to come out through the entrance in a minute. So that island there is called Matakana Island, and it's all pine trees, and you can see right to the very end a little knob at the end of it, that's Bowen Town. So the whole harbour goes all the way from through there, all the way behind this little strip of, it's like a sandbank with pine trees on it, all the way, I think it's probably about maybe 20 miles, quite a long way, to that little knob there, which is Bowen Town, and that's the other entrance. And behind it is a massive area of estuaries, channels, fantastic fishing. It's a boaties haven. There's a ship about to come out. Yeah, this is the deepest deepwater port in Australasia, so container ships that are very deep in draft can come in here, deeper than any Australian port actually. They come in here and unload their containers, and then they get put on the smaller ships to go to Australia. Can you see the seal? Down there. Down there. Over here.
fast as you can.
Between me and Harbour, you get to jump rocks and logs.
Yeah, have you seen them things? Just go blah, blah, blah.
How do they go?
And they've got pussies teeth.
Push.
I'm more worried about those than locomotives.
Around to the jetty, where the Kewpie boat departs for day trips.
Pilot Bay. Family over here catching a few little herrings and mackerel. And the mount is right up there. Just the mount. Down here is where we had our breakfast. We walked around here. Go around here, and I think we saw the seals just along here. And at the base of the Mount Maunganui there's a campground. We can come here with a tent, come to New Zealand for a holiday, buy a tent,
And the best ice cream place is just down there.
and you can come and stay here, pitch your tent, and there's some hot pools. So summertime, every one of these parks is Mount Maunganui Beachside Holiday Park.
So you've got Pirate Bay Beach on one side,
Yeah. So there, yeah.
Surf Beach on the other side.
Tauranga's over that side. This is Mount Maunganui side. And you can come camping here in amongst multi-million-dollar apartments. And it's Mount Maunganui, you can climb up. Got sheep on it.
It is well worth the climb up to the top for these views.
And just up here, behind these people coming towards us, are the hot pools. What did you say you could smell?
I can smell the Copenhagen cones. Look at
Copenhagen?
the queue. Look at the queue for the best ice creams.
Oh, and this is in winter time. You wait till summer, you have to go right round the corner. I'm not sure why they don't have two shops here, because it is always full.
Every time I climb up the mountain, when I come back down, I want one.
Yeah. Hot saltwater pools, which
I told
They-
you you had to bring your posh car and do laps on a Saturday.
so they've drilled down under this volcano and got hot water. So one day this volcano might erupt, so just bring your crash helmet.
Yeah, just keeps me going.
Well,
Sneaky electric cars.
electric, I didn't hear it.
So that is the iconic Mount Maunganui, a magical walk any time of the day. A special treat is to walk at sunrise.
Whose idea was this?
Enjoy the dawn breaking over the harbour. Walk the racetrack or even jog. And watch the world wake up to a new day. And after starting your day on the right foot, you deserve a good long soak in the pools. Thank you for walking with us. The Mount is a special place and will always hold a place in our hearts. Thanks for watching. We are more than a travel channel. We volunteer for animal rescues and vet charities. We love to help pets and people as we go, trying to leave this world a better place. And if you would like to help our mission, please do comment, like, share and subscribe. Your support really helps us to help the animals.